What's the meaning of conscientious? Conscientious. Conscientious.
Conscientious. Conscientious. The word conscientious refers to a person who is diligent and careful in their work or duties, often guided by a strong sense of responsibility towards their performance and the consequences of their actions. A conscientious person pays close attention to details, follows rules and instructions meticulously, and takes pride in doing tasks accurately and to the best of their ability. This trait is highly valued in many workplaces, as it can lead to higher productivity, better quality work, and a stronger sense of accountability. Overall, being conscientious is an important attribute for achieving success in both personal and professional pursuits.